The next attachment tool, which is attached to the R922, is our 2-tine clamshell, and this attachment tool is an evergreen in the product range of Liebherr and did not change his face substantially for the last 40 years. That means it has always been, and it is, an extraordinary well-built tool, and as a result of that, all replacement equipment fits until today. You see, it's very easy to sand your pipe with the grapple, and it's very easy playing the ground. You can get different grapple extensions from 1 up to 3 meters, and you can also get clamshells in different sizes, and last not least, a round hole grab if you like to. One more time, you see the coupling process right now. And you see it is working very well and very fast. Our next attachment tool at the A918 is a narrow universal compactor. To compact the plane parts beside the pipe, we now use this foreign attachment tool. It's not manufactured by Liebherr, but by MTS. And that shows once again, like we just saw with the compactor made by Amann, that you can use attachment tools not only made by Liebherr, but also from foreign companies. Conversely, it is possible